Touch the screen with the back of your hand or palm to activate. Enter master PIN code followed by the pound key.
Menu mode. Enter number. Press the pound key to continue. Register user code. Press the pound key to continue. Press 1 to register a code. Press 3 to delete a code.
In this example, we will press 3 to delete a user code.
Delete user code. Press the pound key to continue. Code delete mode. Enter user numbers from 01 up to 25. Press the pound key to continue.
This allows you to choose the specific user you would like to delete.
Deleted. Press the pound key to continue. Press the star key to complete.
We are only deleting one user code in this example, so we will press the star key to complete.
Completed.